The most underrated heroes in healthcare are the ones working behind the scenes. Lab technologists, cardiac care specialists, to name a few, are the professionals who make diagnosis, treatment, and every recovery possible. Our exposure to allied healthcare comes from multiple aspects: science, technology, and patient care in one connected curriculum. Through UG programs like medical laboratory technology, cardiac care technology, and anesthesia and OT technology, we gain real clinical exposure. Our education is immersive and interdisciplinary. We study biomedical sciences, public health, and healthcare management as one cohesive field, equipping us to solve healthcare challenges with precision, responsibility, and critical thinking. Research projects, clinical training, and skill-focused labs help us gain valuable experience across hospitals, labs, cardiac centers, and diagnostic units. And when we graduate, we are ready for careers as medical lab technologists, cardiac care technologists, anesthesia and OT technologists, clinical researchers, and medical equipment specialists. Here, a degree is more than credentials. We grow into healthcare professionals who can make a measurable impact on patient care. So, if you're ready to turn your passion for healthcare into a career that truly matters, welcome to the School of Allied and Healthcare Professions at RV University, Bengaluru.